I've got this magnet mounting system for this faceplate. On each side, I've got these cup magnets. Now, these magnets are incredibly strong, so I am struggling to get the the viewer out. The point is, you put it in like this, and you twist it, and it snaps into place. So, as a test, I cut some pieces of cardboard to put a gap. Now, these cardboard pieces are 2.5 millimeters thick, which is not what I want. But once I put it in, it is held in there. So instead, I'm printing 3 small plastic discs that will go on top of the magnets, right? So now I can pull it off. Now, the point of this is to make this secure enough. I'm just going to pop it on straight. So there. So this is secure enough that people can't just pull it off and take it, and the operator can then twist and remove it. So these are too thick. They don't provide enough of they're too much of a gap for the magnets not to be as strong as possible. So I'm printing ones that are printing some 1.5 millimeter thick discs. That should give me enough gap to make it possible to pull it off, because without it, this is it's very difficult to move. So yeah, coming along.